Time for a Mirror Now exclusive. Disha Shah has accessed a false structural audit report that was filed on the Ghatkopar building that collapsed last week. This report was filed by prime accused Sena Party member Sunil Shitap. Shitap allegedly faked the report to get building redevelopment permissions. He allegedly also planned to build a beer bar on the premises. Listen in to this report Disha filed earlier today.
Certainly, we have some exclusive news coming in here on the Ghatkopar building collapse story. What we learn today exclusively is that the main accused Sunil Shitap had carried a structural audit of the society way back in 2015 and had submitted false reports categorically stating that the building is weak and it needed urgent renovation and redevelopment. But in the same year, the residents staying in this society had also conducted a structural audit report and which observed that the building was stable but it needed few repairs. In fact, I have the exclusive copy here with me of the structural audit and condition survey report of the Siddhi Sai Cooperating Society. And if I can ask my camera person to zoom into the main highlights, it categorically states that internal structural repairs will be carried out wherever necessary. And of course, even this point is important to note here is that these defects, deterioration are repairable. After complete repairs, the structure will be practically restored to original strength. In fact, this structural audit report which was done by the residents categorically stated that the building needed few repairs, but it was not in the weak or dangerous condition like it was pointed out in the Sunil Shitap's report. In fact, after this structural audit, the residents, they did undergo repairs twice, one in the year 2016 and the recent in the year 2017 as well. And they claim that the building was in a very good condition, although it was a 25-year-old building. So now it remains to be seen as to what basically will shape out from this particular investigation that Mirror Now has panned out, because tomorrow is the hearing of both the main accused Sunil Shitap and the civil contractor who was arrested in this case. अभी जो रिसेंट डेवलपमेंट सामने आ रहा है कि सुनील शिताब जो अक्यूज्ड है मेन, उसने अपने तरफ से अपना अलग एक ऑडिट किया था और उसने ये बोला था कि ये जो स्ट्रक्चर्स है काफ़ी वीक है, ठीक है। पर आप लोग ने भी खुद सोसाइटी के तरफ से अलग से ऑडिट किया था, तो वो ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में क्या सामने आया?
उसमें ऐसा है कि हमने 2015 में खुद ऑडिट रिपोर्ट किए थे। हमारी टोटल 15 फ्लैट्स है, 15 फ्लैट्स में से शीतप के 4 फ्लैट्स छोड़कर उसने खुद बोला कि मेरे फ्लैट का मत करो तुम लोग, मैं अलग से करूँगा। तो हमने 11 फ्लैट्स के निकाले थे। स्ट्रक्चर इज़ क्वाइट स्टेबल और उसमें ऐसा कंक्लूजन आया था कि भाई इट इज़ रिपेयरेबल। तो हमारा रिपोर्ट आने के बाद में हमने सुनील शितप को अप्रोच किया, भाई देखो ये हमारा रिपोर्ट है, रिपेयरेबल है, आपका रिपोर्ट क्या बोलता है? उसने कुछ बताया नहीं, वो बोलता है कि बहुत कुछ बोलता है। तो बोला ठीक है अभी हम रिपेयर करते हैं। तो बोला मैं मेरे 4 फ्लैट्स के पैसे नहीं दूंगा। जब उसने ऐसा कहा तो सब बोले भाई हम 11 फ्लैट्स के पैसे कितने निकालेंगे, उसके 4 फ्लैट इट्स सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट। वो जब नहीं दे रहा तो हमारा रिपेयरिंग नहीं हो सका, नहीं हम आगे नहीं बढ़ सके।
But the building was in a good condition.
Yes, there is एक जो चीज़ आज सभी से क्लैरिफाई करना चाहूँगी, जो यहाँ पर मुझे देख पा रहे हैं या मेरे बिल्डिंग वालों को देख पा रहे हैं, building was not in a dangerous condition. It was not a dilapidated building. I'll repeat myself, building was not in a dangerous and a dilapidated condition. Building was a repairable condition. It is only due to tampering in the ground floor that this building has collapsed. I beg and I urge people to support us in this, and at the same time only one last request is please support us, make sure we get justice. Today what has happened with me should not happen with you. Please support us and get us justice.